Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this video tutorial, I'm going to show you on how to change your phone number on iPhone. So since I'm not using an iOS, I will then just going to guide you on how to do that. So the first thing that you'll need to do is to open your iPhone settings. Okay, it's the gray gear icon on your home screen or in the utilities folder. So just click on it. Okay, and the next one is to scroll down and tap the message. Okay, it's in the fifth group of settings. Look for the green icon with a white chat bubble inside. Next is to tap send and receive. It's just under the iMessage switch. Okay, if the iMessage switch is off, tap it to turn it on. Next is to tap your phone or your new phone number. As long as your phone number is already connected to your iPhone, it will appear in the list. Okay, if you don't see your new phone number, return to the settings menu and tap your phone. If your phone number doesn't appear next to my number, tap this field to update the phone number now. Next is to tap the back button twice. This returns you to the settings menu. Okay, and then sixth is to tap the FaceTime option. It is the option just below the messages. Look for the green icon with a white video camera inside. Okay, and then select your phone number. Either you can be reached by FaceTime at and caller ID. This ensures that when people FaceTime you or you FaceTime them, the calls report the proper number. And if your old phone number is still listed in either of the sections, tap it to remove its checked mark. Okay, so that's it. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more video tutorials in the future. Bye.